How to download video from any website using your browser's developer tools, quickly and legally. Only download videos you own or have permission to use. First, open your desktop browser and visit the website where the video is located. On Windows, press Ctrl-Shift-I. On Mac, press Command-Option-I. Or simply right-click anywhere on the page and select Inspect. Now, click on the Network tab, then select Media from the filters. Refresh the page and play the video if it doesn't start automatically. You'll see the video file appear in the list. Double-click it to open the video in a new tab. Click the three-dot menu on the player and select Download. That's it. Another way to download is by using the Select Element tool. Click the Select tool, the small arrow icon, and then click on the video. If the video's URL is directly available, double-click to copy it. Open a new browser tab, paste the URL, and hit Enter. When the video opens, click the three-dot menu and choose Download. If this video helped you, please hit the subscribe button. It's completely free.